Hi, we're David and Mary Moore of the Little Black Rake Company. For years, we sold a double tine rake that our customers fell in love with. They used it for garden cleanup and raking lawns. When the rake was no longer produced, we decided to remanufacture it to fulfill the requests of our customers and also to enter into the larger garden marketplace.
We decided to call it the Little Black Rake. Why? Well, it's black and it's only 14 inches wide. Because the two sets of curved tines are offset, you can make a clean area with just one swipe of the rake. What the first set of tines misses, the second set of tine picks up. This can reduce your raking time up to 40%. Also, the small size of the head allows you to get into tight spaces where the larger rakes can't get to.
The polypropylene material in the rake head makes the tines flexible as well as durable. In fact, after many years, we're still using one of the double tine rakes with only minor wear on the tines.
The Little Black Rake weighs, well, just a little over 1 pound, making it easier on you than the heavy, big rakes in the market. This reduces lower back fatigue, making it very popular with women users. It's really cool to see the women go, wow, when they lift the rake for the first time.
But guys, don't let that limit you. This is a perfect rake to get around shrubs and underneath decks.
The Little Black Rake, made in the USA, will make raking easier and faster.
So you can enjoy the beauty of the season while you work in the great outdoors.